All right, welcome everyone. Today we are going on a seriously cool adventure. We're going to unlock a secret language, a code that powers, well, everything from your favorite video games to the most awesome animated movies. I mean, have you ever really thought about it? You're watching an animated movie and the characters are running, jumping, flying around, and it just looks so real, so smooth. How in the world do they get that movement so perfect? Well, surprise, it's not magic. It's actually a super special branch of math called trigonometry. Now, don't let the word scare you. Just think of it as the secret behind how triangles and circles work together to create these amazing, perfect movements. And today, yeah, we're going to crack that code together. All right, let's jump right in. Every great adventure needs a map, right? Well, this is ours. In the world of trigonometry, this is called the unit circle. And trust me, every secret we're looking for, it's hidden right here. So if you look closely, you'll see our map is split into 4 special sections. For our adventure, let's call them realms. Makes it more exciting. Their official math name, though, is quadrants. And here's the key. Each one of these realms has its own unique rule that we have to learn if we want to master this code. Okay, first stop, realm I. That's the top right section of our map. This place is awesome. It's where everything is positive, everything works together, just total harmony. The big rule for this realm is the letter A, and A stands for all. That means our 3 main tools, sine, cosine, and tangent, the functions that help us describe all this cool movement, are all positive here. See? Total harmony. Pretty simple, right? All right, you ready to move on? We're going to travel counterclockwise over to the top left part of our map. Welcome to Realm 2. Now in this place, things start to get a little more specialized. In this realm, our hero is the letter S, and S stands for sine. This is super important because it means only the sine function gets to be positive here. Cosine and tangent, nope, they're going to be negative in this realm. Let's keep going on our journey. We're heading down into the bottom left corner now, into the mysterious realm 3. And you guessed it, the rules are changing again. Let's find out what makes this place so special. So down here, the special rule is T. Any guesses what that stands for? You got it, tangent. So in realm 3, only tangent is the positive one. Sine and cosine, they're both negative. And here we are, our final destination on the map. We're in realm IV, the bottom right section. This is the last piece of the puzzle, folks. In this last realm, the rule is C, and you know the drill by now. C stands for cosine. That makes it the only positive function in this entire quadrant. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so ASTC. How in the world are we supposed to remember all that? Well, there's a secret phrase, a little cheat code that people have used for years. Starting in realm I and going around, just remember this sentence. All students take calculus. ASTC. Boom. That is your master key to knowing which function is positive, no matter which realm you're in. That's a game changer. Now that we know the lay of the land, we need our adventurer's toolkit. I mean, you can't explore these realms and really use the code without the right gear. So let's get our tools ready. Okay, tool number 1. This table right here, it's basically a list of the exact values for sine, cosine, and tangent at the most important angles you'll find, especially in that first realm. Think of them like foundational Lego bricks. Now, don't panic, you don't have to memorize them all right this second. The main thing to get is that each of these key angles has a specific known value, and that's the secret to solving much bigger problems down the road. Next up in our toolkit, power-ups. They're called reciprocal functions. Now these names might sound kind of new and complicated, cosecant, secant, cotangent, but really, they're just our 3 main heroes flipped upside down. It's that simple. And sometimes it's way easier to use these flipped versions. All you gotta remember is cosecant is the flip of sine. Secant is the flip of cosine, and cotangent is the flip of tangent. Okay, but what happens when you face an angle that's bigger than 90 degrees? Something that takes you out of realm I and into the others? Well, for that, we have another secret cheat code to make things way easier. So, check this out. You might see something tricky like sine of 90 degrees plus theta, and that looks tough, right? But hold on, just think about our map. A 90-degree turn, plus a little bit more. Where does that land you? Realm 2. And what do we know from all students take calculus? In realm 2, sine is positive.
Now, there are these really cool transformation rules, our cheat codes, that tell us this whole tricky thing just simplifies down to cosine of theta. These are just awesome shortcuts that let you use your basic toolkit for any angle, no matter how big it gets.
And that's basically it. You now have the map of the four realms. You have the all students take calculus rule memorized. You've got your toolkit of values, and you've even got your power-ups. You literally have all the keys you need to unlock the code of trigonometry. So think about it. From animating your favorite characters to building entire worlds in video games, even designing giant skyscrapers or navigating ships across the ocean, this secret language, this code, is absolutely everywhere. You now hold the key to all of it. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build or discover with it?